Hello everyone, I am so excited to share the December 2022 hip kits with you. I'm going to go through all the kits and show you all of the gorgeous products. We have this little card here that came in the kit, and you can cut these tags apart, and it just kind of goes over the subscriber benefits and then the hip kit community. So lots of information here for you. If you refer a friend and you receive a free grab bag when they subscribe, just about the free access to the hip kit exclusive cut files. They do have a freebie every month, but then they also have exclusives that only the subscribers can download. If you are a subscriber, you do get 15% discount on all of your add-on kits, and the main kit you get at a discount each month. So if you don't subscribe, you can still purchase the kits if there's kits left over, but you don't get that discount. So it's nice to get the discount when you are a subscriber. So make sure to check that out. So I have all of the kits and the gorgeous dies. So we're going to start with the main kit, and I'm going to open up the main kit and then also the paper add-on kit at the same time so that I can show you both front and back and have them all laid out. Starting with the 12 by 12 papers, everything in the kit is exclusive, which is awesome because you cannot get these products anywhere else. And every month their designs are absolutely amazing. I absolutely love that everything is exclusive. And if you're wondering about why things have been all exclusive lately, if you're in the Hip Kit Club group, there is a post all about it. So you can check that out if you want to see that. But the collection is Winter Moments with You. So this gorgeous paper here, I love these circles. It reminds me of like that spirograph. I don't know if you guys had, I think that's what it's called, like the spirograph when you were younger. And then this is the back side, which I love that, like messy dot. And then of course the strip at the bottom. Fireside Stories. And then this is the back side. I love black and white. So I love that they threw in some black and white there. Ooh, this one is really pretty. This reminds me of just snow. This one's called Burr. It's cold out, and like all of the little snow and like little polka dots. Really, really pretty. And then this is the back side. Colorful snowflakes. And then that nice red stripe there at the bottom. Give Me a Hug, super cute winter scene. And then this is the back side. Oh, I love this one. I love all of the pattern and color in this. This is Home is Where You Are. And then here is the back side. This one is called Hooray. I love all those florals. And then here's the back side. Again, another gorgeous floral paper called Let's Celebrate. And then there is the back side. Loving This Life. And then here's the back side of that one. I love that graph paper. New Horizons, and this is an ombre paper, and you can see like the tree line in the back. Very, very soft. It's going to be kind of hard to see with the lighting here, but it's very, very pretty. And then here's the back side. I love this one. This one is called Stay Inside. It has those snowflakes on there. And then the back side is this pretty pink. The color is really hard to see on camera, but it's really, really pretty. And then the nice black and white stripe or border strip thing at the bottom. I love this pink. This one is called Totally Adorbs. I love that shade. And then the back side. And then last but not least is called You Melt Me. Like, these colors are just perfect. I love them. And then a nice wood grain. I love that they included wood grain. So these are the papers, the front and the backs. So gorgeous colors. I absolutely love them. Perfect. Okay, so I'm just gonna scoot these on up. And then we will get into the main kit embellishments. So we have the chipboard stickers. There are 53 stickers in here and tons of things to use. Lots of good frames, some titles, and then some nice word stickers down here. And then you get some circle elements and some hearts, an arrow. This gorgeous puffy sticker set. I love, love this. Okay, so you get the full-size alpha, or the capitals, and then the lowercase, and then you get numbers as well, which is really, really nice, and then you get stars and puffy dots down here, which is awesome. I love that. And then cardstock stickers. There's 31 cardstock stickers in here. So some fun snowflakes and some florals. Get those banners, some nice little strips, and then these little fun borders, like scallops down here. And then the ephemera pack. Super cute. Tags, frames, some titles, winter like slippers. Really, really cute. And I love that floral there. So that is the ephemera pack in the main kit. So I'm going to set these aside. Let's put those up there. And then the next kit is the embellishment kit. So let's see, lots of fun embellishments. I love the embellishment kits. You get a exclusive Hip Kit Club sequin mix. Really, really pretty. You get cardstock stickers. There are 55, or not cardstock, chipboard stickers. These are adorable. The snowman, the bear. I love this little camper. Really, really fun. I love that there's black and white in this collection too. I just love that pop of black and white. Stripes. I love black and white stripes. And then some faux wood stickers. These are really fun. Winter, burr, party, December, the snowflakes, greenery, hearts, and the little scallop down here. Cardstock stickers. There's 291 cardstock stickers in this pack, which is awesome. And then another little alpha down here. I love this alpha. I love tabs. Love all these pieces. Another tab here. Another one there. So there are elements in here to like celebrate New Year's and document New Year's as well. So hello 2023, cheers. And there were some in the main kit as well. Party time. So winter and then celebrating New Year's. It's perfect. Look at this gorgeous floral pack. I could use like 2 of these because I love florals so much. So I'm just going to open up a couple of these. Open this up and just show you a couple. Florals are my favorite. Which is funny because I used to have a hard time using florals. Like years and years ago. And then a friend of mine named Sandy, who I met online, loved florals. She used to use florals all the time. So she kind of helped me get into using florals. And now I just can't get enough of them. So those are the florals in the embellishment kit. I cannot wait to use these. Okay, and then the pocket kit. This one is, I'm looking on my iPad, it's still available right now. The embellishment kit has low stock, but this one still looks like there are plenty of these kits in the shop. So if you're interested in this, head on over there and check it out. I don't think anything is sold out. Oh yeah, the cardstock, or the cardstock kit is sold out. Oh, these are so cute. So as of right now, the cardstock kit is sold out, but everything else is in stock. We do have low stock of the color kit, the embellishment kit, and then the paper kit. So these are the exclusive cards. They are single-sided and they are nice, thick, smooth cardstock. So I'll quickly go through and show you. If you don't use pocket page scrapbooking, these work great for layers. You can punch shapes out of them. Use them to mat your photos. Oops. Lots of different things you can do. You can also use them to create mini album pages. There's fun sizes in here. They're always really fun. This one's pretty. You can fussy cut images. Like this floral, you could easily fussy cut. December. So those are all of the cards in the pocket kit. You could use these to back cut files with as well, which I have done tons and tons of times. Okay, this is an alpha set. So you'll get 4 different alphas, which is nice. I love that stripe. And then these gorgeous puffy stickers. There are 66 puffy stickers in this set, and they are just so much fun. I just love the colors. Look at the little polar bear holding the sparkler. He's so cute. So cute. I love the Happy New Year. So cute. Okay. And then the stamp set. This is so much fun. Limited edition date and circle builder set. I love circles. This is just perfect. I absolutely love it. 2022 noted best time of the year. 2023, you get the outline, and then the solid, goodbye, currently, hello, and then the circles. So cute. I love that. So that is the pocket kit. And then the color kit this month. This one has a low stock. This gorgeous stencil. I love those snowflakes. So much fun. So there's that. And then you get some ink lanes in, and then a shimmer. So the shimmers is the golden wheat. And then Blew My Mind. And then Naughty or Nice. I'm going to open this up so you can see how pretty that is. So the ink lanes, you will add water to activate. So these, you add just some water to them to get them going. And then the shimmers are already liquid. So I'll open that up to show you how pretty that is. It's like a perfect match. So that is the color kit, and this does have a low stock. So if you're interested in that, then I would pick that up. I'm gonna turn that around so you can see the stencil better, and then turn that around so you can see the colors. Okay, and then with this kit, there's some gorgeous dies. You guys, I'm so excited about these. Like, I can't even, I love dies. I love metal dies. I just think that they are just something to have in your stash. You can use over and over and over again. I love dies so much. So this one is a layered snowflake and title metal die. Just gorgeous. So pretty. I cannot wait to cut these out. The holiday flower metal die. This is just going to be so pretty to cut out. I can't wait. I'm so excited. I had fun with the die in the last kit. I just absolutely love dies. The knitted texture metal die. This would be great for layering. Snowflake texture metal die. I have some ideas for that. And then this one is the woven background metal die. And I've never seen a die like this before. This is really cute. I love that. This is the December cardstock kit. This one is sold out. I'm very sorry, but it is sold out. It is one of my favorites. I love their cardstock kits. They match perfectly with the kits each month. And they die cut gorgeous. They die cut beautifully. I just love them. I can't say enough good things about them. This month they have the polka dot. I believe last month they had like the candy stripe. So you guys, they're just gorgeous. So the one side is a textured print. They're not they're smooth cardstock, but it has a textured print on one side. And then the background also has that texture in the background. And then it has the dots, and then you have the strip at the bottom. So you get 2 of each. So that's the pink. This is Abyss, which is like the navy. This one is aluminum. These are so fun. So if you were able to grab these while they were still in stock, lucky you. If you did not get these, make sure that you guys are on the sites early so that you guys can grab these before they sell out. I love this pink. So pretty. Gentle pink. Rose water. And tulip. So much fun. So that is the cardstock kit exclusive. Absolutely love it. And I think all of these are in stock, the dies. So there's no low stock of these just yet, but as the design team starts to design with these kits and use these dies and show you how to use them and the amazing projects that can be created using these dies, I have a feeling they're going to sell pretty quickly. So head on over there and check everything out. These kits are absolutely gorgeous. I highly recommend them. I cannot say enough about these kits. They're exclusive. You can't get them anywhere else. The designs are absolutely amazing. The colors is just, they knock this out of the park every month. Every month I'm like, oh, this is my favorite kit. And then they come out with another one and I'm like, oh my gosh. So head on over to Hip Kits. Check out everything there. I will leave all the information down below for you guys so you guys can check it out. And make sure to check out the Facebook group and check out all the inspiration from the design team and from the subscribers. Everyone is in there sharing their projects that they make with their kits. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great week. See you soon.